Hello, Satnam, Namaste. This is Jules Athena, and I am together with my beautiful friend and soul songstress, Alice Rose. And today we are going to share with you a beautiful healing meditation that you can use when you are in need of some healing in your life, or that you know somebody who's in need of healing. It comes from the Kundalini Yoga lineage, and it uses a beautiful mantra that tunes into the energies of the sun, of the moon, of the earth, and with the total infinite universe. The mantra is RaMaDaSa, Sa Se So Hung. And we chant this mantra with our hands in a position where the palms are up and the elbows are close to the ribs. We're going to chant this mantra today for 3 minutes, but when you're doing this meditation on your own, I invite you to increase the time even up to 11 minutes, or if possible, and you want to go on longer, you can chant the mantra for up to 31 minutes. So as we chant the mantra with our hands open in a receiving position, you want to focus on the energies of the sun, that beautiful warmth of the sun, the coolness and the light of the moon, the feminine aspects of the moon, the groundedness of the earth, and the totality of all that is the universe. And as you chant the last syllable, hung, bring the navel into the spine, because the hung represents the ecstasy, the joy that you are creating this divine healing union within yourself and offering it to others. So we will chant this mantra in one breath. The eyes will be closed, and you're going to focus on the energies of also the feeling that's in the sensations that are in your mouth and in your nose. So as we said, we'll do this RaMaDaSa, Sa Se So Hung in one breath. And I'll let Alice guide us on the first round, and then we'll join her for the next duration.
RaMaDaSa, Sa Se So Hung. RaMaDaSa, Sa Se So Hung. RaMaDaSa, Sa Se So Hung. RaMaDaSa, Sa
a deep inhale in. Keep your hands where they are. And feel the beautiful white light just shining into the palms of your hands. And that white light is permeating now through your entire body, in through the cellular level, healing you through deep, deep, deep on the cellular level. Feel your whole body surrounded by this beautiful white light. And allow that white light to expand outwards. Exhale the breath and take another inhale in. Hold the breath. Hold that light in the palm of your hands. Emanate it out through your heart. Send it to all the beings on this earth. Send it to someone who you know who needs love and healing. And now exhale the breath and inhale. Bring your arms up over the head. Hold the breath. Elevate your energy and shake it into your being. Feel that light shining within you. Thank you so much for joining us today on this beautiful healing journey. I invite you to do this meditation when you need healing, and you can also send out the healing to those who need it as well. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel so you can see when we upload more videos. And if you like the content, give us a thumbs up. Wherever you are in the world, may you have a beautiful and blessed day. Sending you love and joy today from Pai, Thailand. Thank you, dear Alice.
Namaste.
Namaste.